sa Osaluneta guys, may event. Pero di tayo dyan pupunta tayo sa ship. May barko ngayon mga tropas. Kaya nyo, makakuha tayo o hindi. Sana wala rin. Kung meron man, salamat. Kung wala, salamat pa rin. Pataas. Then, dito tayo ngayon, buhay humihinga. Kailangan lang natin sa araw-araw ay panggastos. Let's go! Ito nga pala natin makukuha yung mga galing ship. Sa inyong ship, tingnan nyo. Yan yung gano'ng kalaki yung ship. Ayan yung ship. At nagpapabayan ng mga turistang parang ganun, mga retirado na. Ganyan. Hindi na kaya maglakad. Ihalokin natin yan. Sheesh! Kaya mo yun. Dito naman lahat naman dyan. My guest from Spain, right? You came from Spain, man? Colombia. Vámonos. Colombiano, ha? Came from Colombia. Gavirilio. Because when Japanese surprise attack the Pearl Harbor,
yeah,
that's joint force.
Yeah.
American was in the Philippines.
Oh.
And they are empire before. They want to have a strong arm, yeah. So they want to occupy.
Cuando atacaron el Pearl Harbor, los americanos tenían base aquí.
So that is the memory of 100,000 people innocent die. February 3 now. So this their 79th, yeah, 79th anniversary.
How many people died?
100,000. Because American bombing. Because the strategy of the Japanese was to hide.
They hide between the Filipinos.
They hide in the back of us. So too many died. So that's why they have many flowers and candles. Take prayer what happened to them. That's Manila, government of Manila dito.
Chicharrón, Dios te.
Chicharrón, that's your business.
Oh, yes, I know.
Ma'am, muchos gracias.
No,
Cheers, cheers. Muchos gracias. Sheesh.
teaching.
Muchos gracias.
My medicine, my medicine.
No, your medicine. We nearly, your medicine. I'm sorry.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Muchos gracias. Balik mo sila ng jeep.